So I changed my keyboard again. Let me show you what I did. So as you can see, this is my Royal Kluge L75. Has different keycaps on it. The ones across the center right here are some custom keycaps that I had bought online. I did a video about them as well. But the others across the bottom here are from my AULA F99 Pro. My camera doesn't show exactly the pink range that they do, but they are now my favorite keyboard setup. The ones across the top are the black ones from the custom keycap set. The ones across the side over here are from my F99 Pro. If you notice, I've got a 1, 2, 3 across the bottom. They didn't have, the F99 Pro doesn't have those same keys in that same size because this is a 75% keyboard. But I still like the way it looks. I love the layout, and the transition is the pink color from, I think, Sakura from Signal RGB. It is probably my most used color layout for my computer and stuff like that, but it still sounds good. And this will probably be my permanent keyboard until something better comes out, mainly because it has macro keys on the side. I don't need a number pad, so you can look right here to the right. I have no number pad, and that is because being paralyzed, you don't really have, I don't use my hand, to press the number pad, so I've never done that anyway. So across the top, still got my number keys and all that. And I can program anything on the side right here that I want it to be, regardless of whether it's, so I do use a number lock. That right here is set to number lock because of the game I play. The other ones on the side right here, the bottom one is right click, scroll down, scroll up, and that is the F10 key because I use it in a game as well. I could change profiles, but I don't want to have to change profiles, for no more than I use it for anyway. Everything else, I use with my Stream Deck or whatever. So I have no home key on this keyboard, so I use my Stream Deck for all my other stuff like that, whether it's home or delete, cut, paste, things of that nature or whatever. But this is my keyboard. If you saw the video about my Red Dragon keyboard, the reason I got rid of it is because the D key kept sticking. I couldn't swap it off switches, but I actually like the way this keyboard works. It's a really nice keyboard. Battery life is really nice. I've got it charged right now. Battery life probably lasts me about maybe 4 or 5 days, I guess, while I use it. So it's got a long battery life on it and everything. So it works really good for pretty much anything I need it for. Lighting profile, again, I can change it through Signal RGB. It syncs up with my desktop computer. And yeah, I love this keyboard. It works great. I love the fact that I've got custom keycaps on it. It does aggravate me a little bit that I've got a 1, 2, 3, but the Alt key, the FN key, and the Control C on this side are smaller than the ones on the F99 Pro. So that's why I couldn't switch them. So that's why it says 1, 2, 3. But it really don't matter too much to me anyway. I just like the fact that everything is lined up like it is. I mean, on the F99 keys, the writing is on the front, which is perfect because everybody knows what in your tab, caps lock, you don't really have to see it. And then on the top, the characters that are, WASD, whatever, those are like that. And then it has little alternate text or alternate characters for other languages as well. The top ones don't light up really well, that you get the black, so it's a little bit of light through. You can kind of see it if I put a little bit of shadow over it. And then after about 10 minutes, my keyboard cuts off, saves my battery. It works. Even with me using it a lot, the battery life is really well, even with the lighting on, so I don't really have to worry about that. That right there is programmable, so I can pretty much set the RK logo to whatever I want it to be. And yeah, this is what I use for my daily driver for a keyboard. So this was just a little impromptu video I did about my keyboard and some of the stuff I use. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know. Be sure to like, subscribe, the whole deal with that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video about some of the changes I made to my keyboard, and hopefully in the future we'll be having some more tech stuff as well. Anyway, thanks so much, y'all, and we'll see you soon.